Ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day? Like you're constantly chasing deadlines and never quite catching up? You're not alone. In today's world, productivity isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And that starts with mastering your time. Welcome to Boost Your Productivity, Time Management Strategies for Success. Today, we're breaking down powerful techniques to help you reclaim your time, reduce stress, and achieve more without burning out. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You wake up with a full to-do list, but by the end of the day, you've checked off 10 things, none of which really mattered. Sound familiar? That's where prioritization comes in. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things. Start by identifying your high-impact activities, the ones that directly align with your goals. Whether you're building a business, studying for exams, or managing a team, focus on what truly matters. Ask yourself, does this task bring me closer to my goal? Will this matter in a week, a month, a year? If not, let it go. To make prioritization easier, try the Eisenhower Matrix, a simple but powerful tool named after President Dwight D. Eisenhower. It breaks tasks into 4 categories. 1. Urgent and important. Do these now. 2. Important but not urgent. Schedule these. 3. Urgent but not important. Delegate if possible. 4. Not urgent and not important. Eliminate or minimize. This matrix helps you stop reacting to every fire and start making intentional choices about how you spend your time. Sometimes the hardest word to say is also the most powerful. No. Every time you agree to something that doesn't align with your priorities, you're sacrificing time you could have spent on what truly matters. Learn to set boundaries. Protect your time like it's money in the bank, because it is. Say no to distractions. Say no to unnecessary meetings. Say no to tasks that drain your energy without delivering value. Because here's the truth. You can't do everything, and you shouldn't try. Now that you know what matters, it's time to protect your calendar like a warrior protects their sword. Enter time blocking, one of the most effective tools in the productivity arsenal. Time blocking is simple. You divide your day into blocks of time and assign each block a specific task or category. Instead of letting your day unfold randomly, you take control. Want to write a report? Block 2 hours for deep work. Need to return emails? Give yourself 30 minutes and stick to it. By doing this, you eliminate decision fatigue and create space for focused, uninterrupted work. There are tons of apps designed to help you master time blocking. Try Google Calendar, free and easy to use, with color-coded events and reminders. Notion, a customizable workspace that blends calendars, notes, and task lists. Focus To Do combines time blocking with the Pomodoro technique. Toggle Plan, great for teams who need to coordinate schedules. Pick one that works for you and commit to using it daily. But here's the key. Don't get too rigid. Life changes. Meetings run late. Emergencies pop up. That's okay. Build flexibility into your schedule. Leave buffer zones between blocks. Review and adjust your plan at the end of each day. Remember, time blocking is a guide, not a cage. Even the best schedule means nothing if you're constantly being pulled away. So how do you stay focused when the world keeps buzzing? First, design your workspace for success. Keep your desk clean. Limit visual clutter. Set up a dedicated area just for work, even if it's just a corner of your living room. And if you're working around others, communicate your availability. Use a sign, headphones, or a shared calendar to signal when you're in deep work mode. Avoid the trap of constant context switching. Switching between unrelated tasks costs your brain precious seconds every time. Over the course of a day, that adds up to lost time and reduced clarity. Instead, batch similar tasks together. Group all your email responses into one block. Make all your phone calls at once. Write all your social media posts in one sitting. This creates momentum and makes you far more efficient. Technology gets a bad rap, but when used wisely, it's a game changer for productivity. Let's talk tools. Repetitive tasks eat up your time and energy. That's where automation comes in. Use AI-powered tools like Zapier or Make.com. Automate workflows across apps. Grammarly. Speed up writing and editing. Otter AI. Transcribe meetings instantly. Automate the boring stuff so you can focus on what only you can do. Managing a team or juggling multiple projects? Try project management tools like Asana, great for assigning tasks and tracking progress. Trello, visual boards for organizing ideas and workflows. ClickUp, all in one platform with custom views and integrations. These tools help keep everyone on the same page and prevent tasks from falling through the cracks. Don't underestimate the power of a good digital calendar either. Use Google Calendar, Outlook, or Apple Calendar too. Schedule meetings, set reminders, color code priorities, sync across devices. Add recurring events for habits like exercise, planning sessions, or weekly reviews. Set alerts 15 minutes before important tasks so you're always prepared. Productivity isn't just about tools and techniques. It's about taking care of yourself. After all, you can't pour from an empty cup. Your brain isn't a machine. It needs rest. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. These short pauses refresh your mind and keep your focus sharp throughout the day. Sleep is your brain's reset button. Without it, your memory, mood, and motivation suffer. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Keep a consistent bedtime. Avoid screens before bed. And consider a wind-down routine, like reading or light stretching. Exercise also boosts brain power. Just 20 minutes of movement a day can increase dopamine and serotonin levels, chemicals that improve focus and mood. Take a walk. Do a quick workout. Dance in your kitchen. Whatever moves your body and lifts your spirit. Finally, give your brain a chance to breathe. Mindfulness and meditation are powerful ways to reduce stress and enhance focus. Start small. Just 5 minutes a day. Sit quietly. Focus on your breath. And notice when your mind wanders. Gently bring it back. Over time, you'll build mental resilience and the ability to stay calm under pressure. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most with intention and purpose. Prioritize ruthlessly. Block your time wisely. Minimize interruptions. Use technology smartly. And above all, take care of yourself. Because when you manage your time well, you're not just getting more done. You're creating space for what truly matters in life. So start today. Review your schedule. Pick one strategy to implement. Maybe it's time blocking, or maybe it's learning to say no. Small changes compound into massive results over time. If this video gave you clarity, hit that subscribe button, because we're just getting started. Remember, your time is your most valuable asset. Guard it, shape it, and watch your life transform. Thanks for watching.